Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to download SnapEdit application into your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to download SnapEdit, you just simply have to open your Play Store application at very first. Then after opening Play Store, just simply tap to the search bar at the top, and from the search bar you just simply have to search for SnapEdit into there. Now after searching SnapEdit, this SnapEdit AI photo editor application will be popped up. Just simply tap into that application and then tap to this install button in order to install the application. And after that, depending on your internet connection speed, your SnapEdit application will successfully be installed into your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.